Hello, I'm going to be reviewing these linen hanging lampshades from Amazon. So I just wanted to start by saying how easy it was to put these together. It took probably about 20 to 30 minutes from start to finish to put together all of the parts and then get it onto the wall. One of my favorite parts about them is that you can change the height at which the lampshade is sitting, and so you can make it shorter or longer just depending on what space you have. I think that another great thing about them is because it's so easy to put together, it's also easy to take apart. So if you're moving, you can take them with you and then reset them up, because who doesn't love to bring their awesome lampshades with them when they move? So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how the lampshades look close up. So you're able to put together these triangular type wooden holder easily with just a couple of screws that are included in the kit. And then there's directions to instruct how to put together the lampshade, and then you can just Velcro it together, which makes it really easy for setup. It comes in a very small box, which is easy for storage, again, if you're ever to move and want to bring them with you. So there's one here, and you can change the height that you have just by moving the string. And so then here it is on the other side. Yes, I just really love how they are. They're very uniform in the way that they're set up. I'll show you next how they plug in. So I have chosen to use a power strip for this, and so they're both plugged in right here, which just makes it super easy. And then you just turn it on, and then the lights turn off, and then you turn it back on, and the lights turn back on. And so it's just very easy to get your lamps on and off when you're laying in bed, ready to start the day or finish the night. Overall, I would absolutely recommend this product to anyone because of the easy setup, because of the way that they look so cute sitting above a bed, and how you can just really have some flexibility with the height of them once installed.